Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your payment method in Move It. So here I'll be teaching how to change your payment method from GCash to PayMaya to bank transfer, a bank account, or to cash. So here, all we need to do is click on Moto Taxi right here. So this is a straightforward app. Then choose the location. Let's just say right here. As you see right now. Then click on choose this pickup. After doing that, you will see here on the left corner cash. Press on that. Here are all the available methods. You can do QRPH, or you can do cash, cards. Here are all the cards that you can choose. And then you can do Gcash. As you can see right now, I'm using Gcash. So there. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Another way to doing it is on the main app itself. Once you open it, click on account. After clicking on account, click on payment method. After clicking on payment method, you will see here all the methods right here. You have the card and Gcash. There you go. And if you want to know how to Maya use it, I suggest watching the video on Guide Games to transfer your Pay Maya to Gcash account for the payment. So yeah, there you go. Then click on cards if you are gonna add any cards. So there you go, guys. That's how you change your payment method in Move It. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below, guys. And if you have any more concerns about Move It, you can just type it in the comment section below, or you can just go to their question and then, or you can just go right here to their help center and ask them yourself. So there, I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any questions, type in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.